Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today we are making two recipes. These are very delicious chicken tikka and the yummy pizza style chicken bread. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. So for making both these recipes we need to make dough first. So the ingredients are plain flour 3 cups, then crack an egg, adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt 1 teaspoon, instant heat 1 full sachet, lukewarm milk half cup almost, then adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Now first of all mix it well with the spoon. Now use half cup of water to knead soft dough with your hands. Almost 5 minutes of kneading is required. So after kneading the dough will look like this. Now close the lid and rest it for few hours in warm place. It will rise to double. Now for making chicken tikka chunks, we need chicken boneless. Adding 1 teaspoon of salt, chili powder 1 teaspoon, chili sauce almost 1 tablespoon. Now for making these chunks sweet and salty, we need to add 1 tablespoon of honey. It will give a very good taste, sweet and spicy. Now adding half tablespoon of black pepper. Now mix it well with a spoon and marinate it for half an hour. Now for making these chicken tikka chunks, preheat the pan and add almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Now start adding marinated chicken cubes in it. After almost 10 minutes of frying, you can see the bubbles are coming out and you can check it with a fork. The chicken is done. A very good nice aroma is coming out. So our sweet and spicy chicken tikka is ready. Give it a cold smoke for nice flavor. Now start making pizza sauce. For this we need to remove extra oil from the pan and add almost 2 to 3 cubes of tomatoes, salt half teaspoon or as per your taste, chili powder half teaspoon. Now adding 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Now adding black pepper half teaspoon. Now adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce and mix it, and our pizza sauce is ready. Now set it aside. These are chopped bell pepper and onion. Now for assembling we need a baking tray or pan. Grease it with oil and dust with flour. Cut the dough in 2 pieces and spread half of the dough like this. Check out the thickness. It's of medium thickness, not so thin and not so thick. Start adding pizza sauce and spread it well over the dough. Now adding fried chicken cubes smoked and spread all over it. Adding sauté vegetables with bell pepper and salt. Now adding grated cheese and spread it well. Now sprinkle oregano. Now add more cheese over it. Now bake in preheated pan. It will take almost 20 to 25 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade to bake the pizza. So our chicken tikka pizza loaded in cheese is ready. Next, in order to make chicken bread, so take another half of the dough and roll it with the rolling pin like this. Now start adding pizza sauce and spread only in the middle section. Now adding chicken tikka cubes and saute vegetables only over the sauce. Now start making cuts like this. The strips should be of equal size. Now start folding the dough like this in a crisscross manner. First take one strip from the right hand and then from the left hand and then from the right and then from the left. Now close the chicken bread like this so that the batter should not come out. The endings should be folded up and then the sideways. So our folding is done. You can see the chicken bread folding is done. Now take one whisked egg and spread it over this. Apply it like this. Nice. Now spreading sesame seeds. And now it's ready to be put in oven. Now grease the pan and place the chicken bread over it. Now place it in preheated oven at 150 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. So you can see our yummy pizza style chicken bread is ready. It's so hot and tasty with sweet and spicy chicken tikka in it. You can add cheese as well. So if you people like it, do subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.